Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. So today we're going to be doing something brand new on my channel that we've never done before. 3 things actually. So 1, this is not a voiceover for once. 2, I'm going to be doing makeup on somebody other than myself. And 3, you guys get to meet my boyfriend. So without further ado, we're just going to jump right into it. Everybody say hello to my boyfriend, Paxton.
I'm here.
Thank you.
It's good to be here.
It's good to be here.
With the makeup crowd. Wait.
What?
Is this going on my head?
Yeah, I told you. Need to see how big this is. Okay, cool. Now, Paxton, tell everybody if you've ever done anything like this before.
Nope.
No. So as you guys know, as the title already suggests, we're going to be turning this beautiful man into Jack Skellington. Excited?
I'm very excited. I'm very thrilled. Drink a little bit more.
Yeah. It's ready to get rid of your brows first.
Excuse me?
It's called blacking out your brows. So we're going to take this and...
You're gonna do something with the glue on my eyebrows? Okay. All right.
Just trust me on
yeah,
this.
no, I trust you. You're the master.
Just close your eyes for a second.
Okay. I mean, every other day, you know, I think about getting rid of my eyebrows, and so this is definitely helpful. I never would have thought I could just use what kind of glue? Elmer's?
Just Elmer's glue.
Some Elmer's glue to remove them temporarily. So like my eyebrow hairs are like sticking straight up right now.
I mean, like I'm pushing them up.
Do I look like a villain? Does it look like Boris Karloff? Is it?
Well, no, like I said, it's like they're not like that's like look, like they're not that significantly like they're bushier looking, but
I look like it's not Charlie Chaplin. Who am I thinking of? It might be Charlie Chaplin. That feels really weird.
Like, just touching them.
It's like
yeah, touch it.
It feels.
Like, touch this one, not this one.
It feels like a layer, like a film is over it.
Where should I do the bald cap next?
Yeah.
Bald cap?
Oh yeah.
Does he look real good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This was actually gifted to me. I think it works. You're gonna look really attractive for a while.
That's all I want.
Since Jack doesn't have ears, you gotta have ears.
I mean, I'm sure he had ears. I assume that he was always a skeleton, because
Just always.
I mean, it's Halloween Town, you know. But then again, they are connected somehow, like to the real world via a graveyard. So perhaps he was human.
You kind of look like a hot dog.
Am I a hot dog?
You're a hot dog.
Yeah, I'm hearing some.
You hearing what?
I'm hearing this song.
Hello, darkness.
No. Hurt. You know, just.
Oh, Johnny Cash.
What have I become?
A hot dog.
A hot dog. It was Linkin Park, right? Who originally. One of those songs that was adapted, and it was like Johnny Cash, like that. You took the song.
9 Inch Nails.
9 Inch Nails, not Linkin Park.
Not Linkin Park. Not doing this because I like you. Okay.
The guy on the. I could be that model. Yeah.
You meet this man with your brows too.
His eyebrows look
He's
very.
just very arched.
Mine are just like what's his face? Like Guy.
Oh.
I could probably do
Guy
that.
Sensei?
I could probably do a cosplay of that, right? You know, or of Lee. Is this like the color? This is
just like a white concealer. We gotta set it with powder.
I was just thinking that.
You gotta set it.
I was like, her next step, she's gonna have to set it. I can't see like detail, but I can tell that something's up.
Something's going on.
There's something different. Ever since I heard the Oscar Mayer Wiener song, I knew it was speaking to my inner self. It's like, my baloney has a first name. It's Paxson. If at times I don't react to what you're saying, it's because I'm practically deaf.
I think you're saying practically dead.
I'm practically dead.
I'm dead inside.
No, the caffeine is preventing that from occurring.
Cut your chin off.
I feel like a really odd superhero.
Yeah. I would say so. I look really hot right now.
Just remind them that some people have days when they're an absolute maroon.
Maroon 5? Bruise and wrinkles that Jack has on his face.
Blah! I am Jack Skellington! Blah! Blah blah! That's what he does, right? Merry Christmas! Blah!
we're unsubscribing. Disliking.
Doesn't Jack do that to Sally? She's like, I sense there's something in the wind. And Jack's at the window going...
This would be a very different movie, I think.
That's
if that were the case.
You know, that was like the test for Nightmare 2. Jack's dementia. I don't know.
Jack's back.
Jack's back. Is that a good thing?
Do we want that?
Jack's back, and for some reason he has a tongue.
For some reason, he's creeping.
One of those,
hard.
you know, there's Halloween Town, Christmas Town, Thanksgiving Town, and then there's like Meat Town, and he gets a tongue.
Flavor Town.
Flavor Town. led by Guy Fieri.
That's where
And
he
then he gives him a
develops taste buds. Oh no.
Sally, look at this noise I can make now.
Oh, isn't it sexy?
Jack makes everyone uncomfortable. The mayor only has his upset face the whole time.
The whole time. He's like, why did we let him back in?
Jack is back. Oh no. That
Jack
sucks. Which one?
Street's back.
Oh, Jack is back. Oh no.
Oh no.
You think Zero is a ghost of a wiener dog? Look at, man, think of his snout. I mean, think of Zero's like long kind of...
I wouldn't
Right?
be surprised.
Frankenweenie. And I wonder if Zero was like a reference, because, I mean, yeah, he's got the long nose and...
I've heard that, like, people believe that. Like, those worlds are all kind of intertwined or, like, whatever.
I'm just thinking of dogs that have longer snouts. I mean, sure there are plenty, but, like, you know, he's short, he's, like, tiny.
So small.
And Jack's like, where is my dog?
Where is my dog?
Have you seen my dog? Have you ever seen the movie Richie Rich?
No.
Who are you? Wow. It's with Macaulay
Breaking up.
Culkin. It's with Macaulay Culkin.
No.
He's Richie Rich.
How old is the movie?
It's pretty old. I mean,
Like
like...
when he was a kid still? Like Home Alone age?
Yeah.
No, I've never seen it. I've never heard of it.
Holy shit.
I feel like I've never seen Macaulay Culkin in anything other than Home Alone. I think.
He's also in a movie with Elijah Wood where he plays a little serial killer.
Really?
It's like him and Elijah Wood. I think he's like the son of this, you know, the mom who's marrying the dad.
Okay.
And has like weird issue, you know, where he just like makes people disappear who, you know, he doesn't like.
I'm still thinking about Flavor Town. Well, it's like when they destroyed like Jumanji for me. Like,
don't even get me started on Jumanji and this sequel that's coming out, and just like
I still haven't like fully watched the first one. I think
You're not missing
you
out.
tried to show it to me, and I just didn't even. Pay
I mean, because it's like a fine rando movie, but it's not a good Jumanji,
it's not a Jumanji movie.
Yeah.
Feel because like
The kids
the
don't
original,
play board games anymore.
'cause
They play video games.
The original Jumanji movie too was like it was more like a suspense thriller, right?
Oh, it actually had like
Horror elements.
horror
to
in it, and now it's
but
like
it's
ha
just
ha.
it's just comedy now. It's not even like scary.
Kevin, what's his face?
Kevin Hart.
Kevin Hart
And The Rock.
And The Rock, because The Rock is so relevant right now. Like haha.
I mean, I do love The Rock. But
Exactly, I love Jack Black. You know, like
yeah,
just.
he's in it too.
It was really funny at times, but still, it's just like, what have I become?
As you know, if you could just get past some of the older
And it still even
CGI
looks
stuff.
pretty good.
I mean, yeah. I mean, obviously it's nothing like today, but it's
If
still.
you can't watch an old, even like a black and white movie, and still just enjoy it, even if you can see the zipper down the front of the monster, then I pity you. I pity you. But I have a great appreciation for most forms of media. Going back to Jumanji? Going back to Jumanji, like, you know, go from the first movie with, you know, a crazy guy and like an old hunter get up chasing after trying to hunt
I love
humans
him.
in the real world. Like, again, that interaction between the real world.
Wasn't that
and
the same actor that played the dad too?
Yes, and that's actually the same actor in Richie Rich. He plays the butler in Richie Rich with Macaulay Culkin.
Oh my god. It all comes full circle.
Yeah. The point of my whole rant was watch Jumanji.
Was the original one. Not that you take anything away from this video. Watch Jumanji.
Watch Jumanji. And Zathura. Zathura wasn't so bad. It's like a sci-fi version of it. You know, it wasn't so kind of cheesy, but still fun cheesy.
Fun cheesy.
It's fun.
Sure. Okay.
It's fun cheesy.
So I think before we do any finishing touches, we're gonna have him change into your outfit.
Okay.
Alright, so
I'm gonna get naked.
we'll be back. And we're back. How do you feel?
I feel like a skeleton. My hands kind of ruined the illusion. I stole these from a guy. I was like, you know, meat
Damn it,
hands.
Jack! Not again.
I'm sick of these bony hands. Let me borrow your meaty
hands.
claws. These are Santa's hands.
So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you very much for dealing with my rants.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
As usual, like and subscribe.
Mash that subscribe button. Mash that like button.
Hit that like button if Paxton annoyed you with his rants.
There we go.
As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in your nightmares.